Busy really lock off fully now. Him know lyrically still, you know. Lyrically, you know, him know say, otherwise some cartel, you know, and we are modest thing, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, so for him, try back Aidonia lyrically, and suicide him a coming.
One thing you look and say, yo, use, you know, boss, with fuck with. So they hear them, who say they are caught up in the industry level, make them do their thing, and you have to answer for them get involved in it. You're not boss up, you're not needed. When you hear Bounty Killer, what anything certain artists say Bounty Killer answer, look for me and tell me, say, Busy, you there and see all your boss and everything. You don't need animosity and the crab in a barrel. Me, I admire them speech then.
I have a thing in the Alliance album topic come up. But watch it work now. You know the same thing. Kartel and Killer now go start have a little difference now.
No, the song with me and Angel, the song them body now, cause you are now. If you notice in a Jamaica where the selector them select, you have a certain mode of operandi so the selector them use by drawing quote unquote forward. And that is one of the key one them who know them baby father, who never dash your belly. You see me say so the concept alone sell off and Angel are the right person to bring it because she have that she in the limelight due to other things. You see me surrounding the music. So why not just gear the musical drive then?
And at the time she was pregnant.
Yeah, you see me? So everything does at the right time.
Kartel nor myself didn't even know about it or didn't even know that it was going to come together like this. But you see, music is a spontaneous thing. You and I don't know what will happen. Kartel's at the studio. This song was written way before we actually, knew that we were going to actually put it together as a collaboration because it wasn't meant to be like that. The song was done like 3 months in my pregnancy. Kartel laid down his track and then I came to the studio and I just put down my track. That's how it happened. We didn't know it was going to happen and then we hear all kind of things. I'm giving birth to a life. Why everybody asking me? Why do I have to have my son? Wonder if my career now go down. Tell them that I am safe and sanctified. Me run with the way so I find a real Macaulay. I'm giving birth to a life.
Be a drama this time, when I someone to text side and all them three you know. One not take my side. You see me? We don't say kill our grandfather and Kartel our father. You see me? I say someone want me say different. Say kill my father. And that's so. I had my father and kill my grandfather. I said, stop Aidonia and stop all the campaigns. Step up. If you write 3 songs for the Alliance album, man, I never listen to the rhythm and beer things. So Killer start praying and say, I'm going to kill him. Back a thing now. Killer start praying me wicked. I think the Woolman's barbecue come up now. Mavado run out first and full clip and Busy run out. We just say, oh, them I go to, because I don't know, say. If me wait till them come off and show this, the show I got done this. After the people them get a band rush vibe there. They might just feel like the show end there, so. They say, oh, there. DJ 3 thing and I be forward now till 12 gauge rhythm go drop now. I go up. I don't know if you start the song, and the rhythm I run, And I wait for Killer to start the song. I look around and walk, I see Killer walk off of the show. I'm going to DJ myself. I make the people them DJ feel part, like a me and them voice. You know that style. From this now, big pyramid start going there, so Killer start talk about that thing. Got Bembe. But them never know same day, them not hear him, come a Bembe, me not hear him. More thing again. Then we go find the song here.
Daddy, who want Vex, go on Vex.
This bad man, you get a box on your jaw next. Browning matic, angle of chocolate. Them are the softest, them close are the darkest. Have enough gun pillar, gun me a lend way, banana clip, then we mac 10 day, we 10 day. Yo, we them set up, threat them a send way. La 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 la. And gunshot we a send day, head crack like marble. Big one, the Bembe, not take the music, we play drum like Dembe. Fight Aidonia, they just comprehend. Boss Jack, and a two, the tongue end. Boy, could have big and thick, almost killer. What?
Yeah. One thing I need out the Alliance, no doubt about that. I'm the ground god. I'm my godfather, as he said. And you just can't go around that. I say it's an icon. It's a youth to help and teach me how to help. And everybody who around and teach them and everything. He guide me towards this thing. When you see me take up music seriously, and guide me towards it and show me some guiding line and show me wow, look out man, wow, what you say. Yo, Busy, you, them are going to say I, but your boss, them are going to say I. You, I mean, them are going to tell you the thing, them are going to see them come to pass like you, them are going to say, you're rich and switch on me. And them something that come to pass like on a daily basis.
The big up my dad's Bounty Killer. 5-star general, the ground god, head of state, head of government. This music. You know what I mean? Because I him say Alliance and I him say young artists. That's why Mavado even there.
Alliance, man. Big them up, man. You see me? You don't know Alliance Cartel forward from. You see it? Empire for life.
Yeah.
You see me? Straight.
Dear drama this now, you know. Man, I must say this the general. You see me? But I'm going to show some man say, yo, don't play with me. You see me? I feel like I'm afraid of no man. You see me? I'm going like something, no, them can't bully me. Now that them a try. So I have to show them from early said it's not, it ain't going to be a bully thing. If it's a war thing, it's a war thing. But I feel like it's not going to be a bully thing like never just stay so. I'm not going to just a cow down. Cow down what? After the cow ground, man start. Selector stop playing me now, you know. This run the business. Who are run this, I run the business. And you see, I want to know who are run this already. So them are run it. Yeah, my song them start play to a level. Other song them start play to a level. No certain man song I play. Here man start chat about a thing now about Monday in Alliance and them thing. You see me, I say, I'm some boy. Because you know I say, I'm a boss whenever in Alliance, you know. Gangbang, they say them time there, you know. Right now the streets see me, gangbang the people, no people still call me gangbang, you know. Them vex through, they hear me daddy, hear me proud, because a bad man and my dad. See that I glad. Rise up my back, from my love, them die bad. Them are not real gangster, them a try bad. You are body man, brother, you still try fagger, but once my face like pussy, you a try bad. Kill them more terrible than lance with the eye shot, me right as credit for from them, this them try right.